Hello everyone, we are back to talk about the board game The Witcher Old World. This time, I'll show you the Monster Trail and Ciri expansions, both included in the Kickstarter expansion. What to expect from this video? All the game modes, the additional content and how to use them in our favorite game. The Monster Trail expansion introduces 9 game modes, which can be used individually or in combination. It includes a new monster, new and unique special cards for all the Witcher schools, adds 200 new exploration and event cards, updated monster cards, and 2 new Witchers, the Manticore and Ciri. The new game modes are all detailed in 2 additional rulebooks, the one that I have in my hands and this one with Ciri on the cover. Let's start from the miniature because they are my favorite part. A new monster level 3, the troll, the Witcher of the Manticore school and Ciri. The troll of course comes with its card and the 2 Witcher come with their dashboard, starter deck and tokens. And as I said before, all the components and the game mode of the Monster Trail can be mixed and matched with the base game or with the other expansion. Then we have bombs and mutagen cards. Bombs are an alternative to potion. They can be used whatever the game offers the opportunity to obtain a potion. They are actually usually worth it because bombs are much more powerful than potions. But they are a bit more expensive and require you to exchange a coin or a potion for them. Mutagen cards instead are acquired by Witcher every time they level up. There are 3 types of mutation and they offer an edge during the combat. We have then 40 advanced action cards of 10 different types. In general, they are all more powerful than the action card in the base game. They allow you to travel faster, be activated in passive mode, or roll dice to see their effect. Here are some unique Witcher action cards to add to every Witcher player starting deck. They are an additional expansion that produce an immediate effect. The Witcher starts with a life pool of 11 cards instead of 10. Additionally, each card has a special description. And before to describe the most complex, well not complex but with more component elements, additional gaming mode, let me show you the additional adventure pack. There are more than 200 new cards. These extend considerably the game. And you can recognize the new adventure pack because they have a slightly different color and also they have a symbol here on top of the card. The Lost Mount comes with a dedicated figurine and a card. It's placed randomly on the map at the beginning of the game and it's essentially a sort of lottery. Rolling 4 or more grants the player to draw 1 or 2 more cards from their deck. Now, let's move on the monster weakness and special attacks mode. This is probably the most complex new game mode, as it includes new large cards for each monster, new location tokens, and special attack cards to shuffle into the monster attack deck. Using this expansion involves using large double-sided monster cards. One side lists the monster's special attack during combat, while the other side lists the 6 of the monster weakness that the Witcher can explore. At the start of the game, a weakness for each terrain type is randomly placed on the map. If the Witcher reaches that location, he can acquire the weakness and use it during the combat against the corresponding monster. Once a weakness token is revealed, another of the same terrain type is randomly placed on the map. The 4 special attack cards are shuffled into the attack card deck. It's important that the total number of the cards in the deck is 20, so before doing so, you must permanently remove 4 normal attack cards from the deck for the rest of the game. The instruction manual provides a complex method for building the monster life pool. I would say that the key is that for the level 3 monster, all the 4 special attack cards will be used. while for the level 1 or 2 monster, some of the new special attack cards may not be present in the life pool deck. Remember, the special attack makes the monster extremely deadly, as it can not only deal damage to witches during the attack, but can also affect the witcher's ability and deal damage, while the monster discards life pool card thanks to its passive abilities. So let's recap. Weakness and special attack change combat in two ways. The Witcher can exploit one or more of the monster weakness using the collected token. Weaknesses are listed on the back of the new large monster card. On the other hand, the monster has special attack and passive abilities that can quickly put an unprepared Witcher in serious difficulty. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, put a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Ciao!